I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pudding bread in your oven. First, gather your ingredients, including milk, eggs, and your favorite instant pudding mix. Next, combine your dry ingredients like flour, sugar, and baking powder in a separate bowl. Remember to have all your wet ingredients at room temperature. This helps create a smoother, more consistent batter for your bread. Let's get baking. Now it's time to mix everything together. Gently combine your wet and dry ingredients, stirring until they are just moistened. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to a tough bread texture. If you're adding extras like chocolate chips or nuts, fold them in now. Finally, prepare your loaf pan by greasing and flouring it well to prevent sticking. This ensures your pudding bread comes out perfectly. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. To check if it's done, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Once baked, let your delicious pudding bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set before you transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Your homemade pudding bread is now ready to enjoy. Slice it up and serve it warm, perhaps with a light dusting of powdered sugar for an extra touch. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature, staying fresh for several days. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy baking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.